with another video. And yeah, so y'all about to come with me to clean up a little bit, straighten up. Is he gonna stand there? Okay. Yeah, so I'm about to straighten up the house a little bit, straighten up the living room, straighten up my room, straighten up the kitchen, and I'm gonna be cooking. I'm cooking some sausage, yeah, like sausages and tomato gravy, and some pork and beans, because that's what I feel like eating. So yeah, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put y'all so y'all can watch me do this. So I'm done straightening up the living room. It's pretty neat, pretty clean. Now I have to go to this kitchen so I can start cooking. And I'm also washing too, y'all. It's a lot. So I straightened up the dining room, I did the kitchen, and the living room's clean. Everything is clean. Now guys, I have to go tackle my room because it's a hot ass mess. Whew. And then, what time is it? Yeah, it's too early to cook, so oh my god, I want y'all to see my room. It is a mess. Like, baby, get it together. But yeah, let me tackle this room.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
So, I'm done straightening up my room. These clothes right here on the floor are because I'm washing. These clothes right here on the floor because I'm washing. So, yeah. Now I'm about to cook these sausages in tomato gravy and pork and beans with some white rice. So yeah.
Good.